Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Yeezy slides in that Azure colorway. We're going to go over the slides, we're going to talk about the fit, and it's only right that I give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my box, and of course I did get these from Adidas, you know, via the Confirmed app. I got my trusty box cutter, so you know what time it is. We're gonna go ahead and slice it down the middle. Peel back, gang. You know the vibe. We're gonna peel it back, man, and we're going to go ahead and peel it back. So let's see right here. So we're gonna open this joint up, man. You know we gotta do the unboxing. We have our box right here. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. Take this out. Now the thing about these, as you already know, Yeezy Day was, I believe it was May 31st. And it took about 2 weeks for these to even ship, man. So it took a while. It wasn't like it took, you know, like 2-3 days. It took about 2 weeks just for these to ship. And here we go. We do have that standard box that does say slide on the front. Let's take a look at the tag. The tag says Azure, Azure, and Azure. There we go. I did get these in a size 11. Now my true size is a size 10. And you know they don't do half sizes on the slides. So I went up to an 11 just so I can get that good fit. And we'll see if it's the same on these. I do have the Yeezy slides in that sand colorway. So I'll be able to compare them with that just to kind of give you an idea on the sizing. Let's go ahead and slide the box out right here. So we're gonna go ahead and slide it out. And let's see. Let's see what we got. We do have the slides wrapped up. Boom. We have the tag right here. I know some people are interested in the tag, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what that tag looks like. You feel me? I'm not sure if there's like a resale market on these slides or anything, because once I got them, I was happy. This was the only thing that I actually went for on Yeezy Day. So let's go ahead and open it up. There we go. Oh yes. Oh yes. Looking good. Looking good. Let me go ahead and take the other one out. We have the Yeezy slides in that Azure, which is really just like a royal blue colorway. So let me put this one down right here. Take a good look at it, man. We have that same textured foam that we're used to in the Yeezy slides. Same cutout. On the inside, we actually, it says it has the size and everything on the inside. I'm gonna see if I can get some footage. You might be able to catch it right there, but that's right here on the inside as well. Other side, we do have that label. At the bottom, we have that Adidas. And I'm very glad, you know, it's summertime, so I was glad to be able to cop another pair of slides because, like I said, I have the sand, and that's like one of my most comfortable pair of sandals. And, you know, I have the Yeezy slides, you know, I got the Gucci's, I got the Louis. But for some reason, I just always gravitate towards the Yeezy slides. Maybe because they're easy to clean. It's easy to just wipe off, you feel me? You can actually wear these to the pool without having, you know, having to worry about them getting messed up or anything like that, man. But, you know, they look good. They, yeah, they look just how I imagined. We got that all blue. And I feel like it's a good, nice, bright color for the summer. And we're going to go over the fit. Let me give you some on feet. And you know what's coming next. Outfit ideas. And right here, I do have the slides on. And let me tell you, they are extra comfortable. Right here, I have them on with a pair of regular crew socks. Definitely the feet don't come off of the back and the toes do not go over the front. Just an overall good slide. Like I said, you just can go with your previous slide size. Right here, I do have the sand and they are the exact same size. So if you have any other of the sand colors or Orchard or anything like that, go with that same size. If you don't have any Yeezy slides, I would just go up a size, just because they don't make half sizes and you don't want them to be too small. That's just like the worst you can do. But yeah, definitely look good. We have both of the colors on right here, and you can see the fit. They fit exactly the same, both very comfortable. And right here, I do have the slides on. I went ahead and threw it on with like a real summery type beach vibe. Got the Burberry swimming trunks on in that similar type of a blue color. White t-shirt, can never go wrong with the white tee. White tee, white socks looks good. I know some people don't like to wear socks with their slides, and that is cool too. But for me, I just like to go ahead and throw the white socks on. It just makes that white t-shirt stand out even more. Went ahead, threw on that Toronto Blue Jays fitted with the pink bottom. You already know the vibes, man. And right here, I do have the slides on, and I threw it on with the Kansas Jayhawks. This is an Adidas t-shirt, long sleeve. This is a part of their collaboration with Eric Emanuel. Then I had to throw on the Adidas mesh shorts as well. I just did a review on these, and I did get these shorts for $12. So definitely check out that review for the Adidas mesh shorts. I mean, it's a very good combo. We got the fitted hat by Stokes, you know, LA custom right there. Link in bio for that. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got more heat coming. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.